Flat roofs are a popular choice for many commercial properties due to their modern aesthetic and cost effectiveness. However, even with proper installation and maintenance, flat roofs have a limited lifespan and will eventually require replacement. At Commercial Roof Replacement Los Angeles in Los Angeles, CA, we specialize in identifying the right time to replace your flat roof and ensuring that the process is smooth and efficient. How long does a flat roof last? The lifespan of a flat roof depends largely on the materials used and how well it's maintained. Generally, a well-installed flat roof can last 15 to 20 years. However, factors like climate, maintenance, and material quality can influence this timeline. Regular inspections and timely repairs can help extend your roof's lifespan, but eventually, replacement will be necessary to maintain the structural integrity of your building. Unique fact: metal flat roofs can last up to 35 years, making them one of the most durable flat roofing options available. Signs that it's time to replace your flat roof. Knowing when to replace your flat roof is crucial to avoiding more significant structural issues. Here are some common indicators that it's time for a new roof. 1. Visible damage. Cracks, blisters, or punctures in the roofing material are clear signs of wear and tear. 2. Persistent leaks. Frequent leaks indicate that the roofing material has degraded beyond simple repairs. 3. High energy bills. A failing roof can reduce your building's insulation, leading to increased energy costs. 4. Age of the roof. If your roof is over 20 years old, it may be time to consider replacement, even if there are no visible issues. The cost of flat roof replacement. Replacing a flat roof can vary in cost depending on the size of the roof, the materials used, and the complexity of the job. Here's a breakdown of typical costs. Membrane flat roofs. $14 to $17 per square foot for smaller projects, and around $12 per square foot for larger ones. Metal flat roofs. Starting at $4.50 per square foot for screw-down panel metal roofs. Standing seam metal roofs, 24-gauge steel, range from $12 to $15 per square foot. Additional costs may include removal and disposal of old materials, adding new layers of underlayment, and installing proper drainage systems to prevent future issues. Best materials for flat roof replacement. Choosing the right materials for your new flat roof is essential for ensuring longevity and performance. Here are some of the best options. 1. PVC Roofing. Known for its durability and resistance to impact, PVC roofs can last 20 to 30 years. 2. TPO Membrane Roofing. Offers excellent durability with a lifespan of around 25 years and reflects heat, improving energy efficiency. 3. Metal Roofing. The most durable option, lasting 25 to 35 years, with high reflectivity that boosts energy savings. 4. Modified Bitumen Roofing. A cost-effective choice with an average lifespan of 10 to 15 years, though it's more susceptible to cracking. Maintaining your flat roof to extend its lifespan. Proper maintenance significantly extends the life of your flat roof. Here are some key maintenance tips. Regular inspections. Schedule inspections at least twice a year to catch minor issues before they become major problems. Debris removal. Clear dirt and debris regularly to prevent drainage issues and material damage. Gutter and drain. Maintenance. Ensure drainage systems are functioning correctly to avoid water pooling, which can lead to leaks. Recoating. Recoating your flat roof every 2 to 4 years can enhance its durability and reduce maintenance needs. Unique fact: flat roofs that are regularly recoated can extend their lifespan by up to 10 years, reducing the frequency and cost of replacements. Why hire professionals for flat roof replacement? Replacing a flat roof is a complex process that requires professional expertise. At Commercial Roof Replacement Los Angeles, we offer over 10 years of experience in commercial and residential roofing. Our team is BBB accredited with an A+ rating and an Owens Corning Platinum Preferred Contractor, ensuring that your roof replacement meets the highest standards of quality and durability. We provide financing options to make your roof replacement more affordable and offer warranties on our work for added peace of mind. No matter the size of your project, our focus is on delivering exceptional craftsmanship and outstanding customer service. FAQs. 1. How often should I replace my flat roof? Flat roofs typically need to be replaced every 15 to 20 years, depending on the materials used and maintenance practices. 2. What is the most durable material for flat roofs? Metal roofing offers the longest lifespan, lasting up to 35 years with proper maintenance. 3. How can I tell if my flat roof needs replacing? Look for signs like persistent leaks, visible cracks, and higher energy bills. If your roof is over 20 years old, it's time to consider a replacement. 4. How much does it cost to replace a flat roof? Costs range from $4.50 to $17 per square foot, depending on the material and complexity of the project. 5. What certifications should I look for in a roofing company? Ensure the company is BBB accredited and holds certifications like Owens Corning, Platinum Preferred Contractor status for quality assurance. Conclusion. Replacing a flat roof is a significant investment, but it's essential for protecting your property and ensuring long-term durability. By recognizing the signs of wear, choosing the right materials, and hiring experienced professionals, you can ensure a smooth and efficient roof replacement process. At Commercial Roof Replacement Los Angeles, we are committed to providing top-quality roofing solutions that stand the test of time. Contact us today to learn more about our services and how we can help extend the life of your flat roof.